Dear students, as you know, we are learning about one of the factor of new economic policy, and that is liberalization. So earlier there were various industries which were under control of government, and obtaining license was very much difficult for the industrialists. So let's see what liberal system they have made regarding liberalization. So economic reforms under liberalization, and first thing we will discuss regarding industrial sector reform. So liberalization virtually implied deregulation of industrial sector of the economy, and following observation highlight how it happened. So in which we are going to learn about first point, that is abolition of industrial licensing. So in July 1991, a new industrial policy was announced. It abolished the requirement of licensing except for the following five industries. So basically, before 1991, there were various industries in which obtaining license was a difficult task for all the industries. Now, these industries are liquor, cigarette, defense, equipment, industrial explosives, and dangerous chemicals. Only these five industries are, uh, uh, after that, only these five industries are there in which licensing is required. Okay. And second one is contraction of public sector. Under the new industrial policy, number of industries reserved for public sector was reduced from 17 to 8. Earlier, 17 industries were reserved for government. Okay. Now, these numbers were reduced from 17 to 8. In 2010-11, the number of these industries was reduced merely to 2. Now, there are only 2 industries in which uh, only government is having complete control, and these 2 industries are atomic energy and railways. Now rest all the industries are in the hand of public. Okay, now third one was de-reservation of production areas. Many production areas which earlier were reserved for SSI and commonly known as small scale industries were de-reserved. Forces of the market were allowed to determine allocation of resources rather than the directive policy of the government. And the next one was expansion of production capacity. Earlier, production capacity was linked with licensing. Now, freedom from licensing implied freedom from capacity constant also. There was limitation of production, means industries were not freely allowed to produce what was their desire. But after 1991, whatever quantity they want to produce, they can produce. What to produce and how much to produce were now a matter of producer's choice depending on market conditions. And next one is freedom to import capital goods. Liberalization also implied freedom for the industries to import capital goods with a view to upgrading their technology. Permission was no longer required from the government to enter into international agreements for the import technology.